Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers on your Samsung Galaxy F14. So let's start. Opera. In this web browser, just click on the taskbar icon, switch to the private and add a tab. The next one is Microsoft Edge. Exactly same like before, click on the taskbar icon, switch to in private and add a tab. The next one is Firefox. In the Firefox, if you see the welcoming screen, just click here and you are in the incognito mode, but if you have any tab open it, click on the taskbar icon, choose the zero mask and add a private. And the last one, the most popular, the Google Chrome. In this web browser, just click here on this arrow icon or three-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. And now your history, completed forms, even the words from the keyboard will be not saved on your phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.